Elements/types of analysis. Introduction. Analysis is a crucial part of the research process, and it involves the interpretation of data and the identification of patterns, relationships, and trends. In this note, we will explore the different elements and types of analysis, their relevance to Islam, and their application in research. In Islam, the pursuit of knowledge is highly valued, and the use of reason and evidence-based methods to arrive at the truth is emphasized. The Quran states, "And we have certainly made clear to you the signs, if you will use reason." Surah Al-Baqarah 2-219. Similarly, the Prophet Muhammad, SAW, is reported to have said, "The seeking of knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim." Ibn Majah, Hadith 224. Therefore, the use of analysis in research can be seen as a means of fulfilling this obligation. There are several elements of analysis that are commonly used in research, including descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, qualitative analysis, and content analysis. Descriptive statistics involve the use of numerical and graphical techniques to summarize and describe data, while inferential statistics involve the use of statistical tests to make inferences about a population based on a sample. Qualitative analysis involves the interpretation of non-numerical data, such as text or images, while content analysis involves the systematic analysis of textual data to identify patterns and themes. In Islam, the importance of using reason and evidence-based methods to arrive at the truth is emphasized. The Quran states, "O you who have believed, if there comes to you a disobedient one with information, investigate, lest you harm a people out of ignorance and become, over what you have done, regretful." Surah Al-Hujurat 49-6. Similarly, the Prophet Muhammad, SAW, is reported to have said, "The seeking of knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." Al-Tirmidhi, Hadith 218. The application of different types of analysis in research is dependent on the nature of the research question and the data being collected. For example, descriptive statistics may be used to summarize data on a particular variable, while inferential statistics may be used to test hypotheses about the relationship between variables. Qualitative analysis may be used to interpret non-numerical data, such as interviews or focus group discussions, while content analysis may be used to identify patterns in textual data. Conclusion. In conclusion, the use of analysis is an essential component of research, as it allows researchers to interpret data and identify patterns, relationships, and trends. The pursuit of knowledge and the use of reason and evidence-based methods are highly valued in Islam, and the use of analysis in research can be seen as a means of fulfilling this obligation. Researchers should be aware of the different types of analysis and their application in research, and ensure that their findings are valid, reliable, and relevant. What is a hypothesis? Introduction. A hypothesis is a statement that explains the relationship between two or more variables, and is used to guide research and testing. In this note, we will explore the definition and importance of a hypothesis in research, its relevance to Islam, and its application in different fields of study. In Islam, the importance of seeking knowledge and using reason to arrive at the truth is emphasized. The Quran states, "Say, are those who know equal to those who know not? But only men of understanding will remember." Surah Az-Zumar 39-9. Similarly, the Prophet Muhammad, SAW, is reported to have said, "Seeking knowledge is a duty upon every Muslim." Al-Tirmidhi, Hadith 74. A hypothesis is a tentative explanation for a phenomenon that is based on previous observations and knowledge, and can be tested through empirical research. Hypotheses are important in research as they provide a clear direction for the study and guide the collection and analysis of data. In addition, hypotheses help to establish causality between variables, and can be used to make predictions about future events or behaviors. In Islam, the importance of using reason and empirical evidence to arrive at the truth is emphasized. The Quran states, "Verily, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and in the alternation of night and day, There are indeed signs for men of understanding. Surah Al-Imran 3-190. Similarly, the Prophet Muhammad, SAW, is reported to have said, "Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave." Al-Tirmidhi, Hadith 74. Hypotheses are used in different fields of study, including science, social sciences, and humanities. In science, hypotheses are used to test the validity of theories and to make predictions about natural phenomena. In social sciences, hypotheses are used to explain human behavior and social processes, while in humanities, hypotheses are used to interpret cultural artifacts and expressions. Conclusion. In conclusion, a hypothesis is an important component of research, as it provides a clear direction for the study and guides the collection and analysis of data. In Islam, the pursuit of knowledge and the use of reason and empirical evidence to arrive at the truth are highly valued. Researchers should ensure that their hypotheses are grounded in previous observations and knowledge, and are testable through empirical research. References.